Conversation. Giving and following instructions, imperative sentences. Situation. Emma and Jack are in the kitchen. Jack wants to learn how to make a simple sandwich, and Emma is giving him step-by-step instructions using imperative sentences. Jack, do you want to learn how to make a sandwich?
Yes, I do, but I have never made one before.
Don't worry. It's easy. Just follow my instructions carefully.
Okay, what should I do first?
First, wash your hands. Always clean your hands before cooking.
All right, I'm washing my hands now. What's next?
Good. Now, take 2 slices of bread from the bag.
Done. What's next?
Place them on the plate. Then, spread some butter on one side of each slice.
All right, let me do that. Okay, I've spread the butter.
Great. Now, take a knife and cut a tomato into thin slices. Be careful with the knife.
Okay, I'm cutting the tomatoes slowly. What's next?
Now, put the tomato slices on one of the bread slices.
All right, I've placed them.
Good. Next, take some lettuce and put it on top of the tomatoes.
Okay, what else?
Now, add a few slices of cheese and some ham if you like.
Oh, I love cheese. I'm putting 2 slices.
Perfect. Now, take the second slice of bread and put it on top.
Done. What should I do now?
Press it gently so everything stays in place.
All right, I did it.
Now take a knife and cut the sandwich in half.
Okay, there. It looks delicious.
Yes! Now, put it on a serving plate and enjoy your sandwich.
Wow! Thank you, Emma. That was fun and easy.
You're welcome. Now, clean the table and wash the knife. Cooking is fun, but cleaning is important too.
Got it? I'll clean up now. Grammar focus. Imperative sentences. The imperative sentence is used to give commands, instructions, or requests. It usually starts with a verb and does not need a subject.
Types of imperative sentences. 1. Positive imperatives, telling someone to do something. Wash your hands before cooking. Take 2 slices of bread. Cut the sandwich in half. 2. Negative imperatives, telling someone not to do something. Don't touch the knife carelessly. Don't forget to clean the table. Don't add too much butter. 3. Polite imperatives, using please for politeness. Please be careful with the knife. Please put the plate on the table. Please wash the dishes after eating.